textile and apparel industry is one of the most labor-intensive and resource-dependent sector in the world. Our industry is built on the foundation of creativity, innovation, and hard work. We can navigate these uncertainties and emerge stronger, more resilient.
These 2 days are really important because we share ideas between all the colleagues in one sense. In another one is very important because we can see different innovation in our business models. Also, we contact the new people who enrich our knowledge. In function of all these things, I think it's absolutely important to have this kind of meetings, this kind of communication between us in order to be better and more competitive in a tough world today. And I feel that it's necessary to share the ideas, to have more knowledge in every field that we are, and to discuss about the future and the new possibilities the future are in front of us.
This is really a wonderful sessions. Actually, I can say that this is really a wonderful conference, and all of the stakeholders join here from the brand side, from the manufacturing side, from the association side. So it's a really great collaborations to know each others and to share all the informations, all the knowledges together. And it's a really in a big platform to get together. And thank you all.